I'm Angel from Proven Industries, and today I'm excited to show you our Model 2516 B2. This lock is expertly designed for specific 2 and 5/16 inch cast steel couplers. Designing the best coupler lock is not an easy task. We pride ourselves on producing a glove-like fit for your coupler. Rest assured that Proven Industries products are the best, most secure coupler locks on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you what is included when you order the Model 2516 B2 and also go over how easy it is to install. Now I'm going to show you what's included when you order the Model 2516 B2. You're going to get your inner slide, an outer shield made of 1/4 inch steel, 1 puck lock, and 2 keys. Straight how easy it is to install Model 2516 B2 on your cast steel coupler. One thing to note, this style will not allow you to secure your safety chains inside the lock, but it does have holes on the bottom of the outer shield where you can secure your chains with a padlock, and I'll demonstrate this for you as well. First, you're going to take your inner slide and attach that. Then if you're planning on securing your safety chains, you're going to take your outer shield and pass your padlock through the holes. Then you're going to slide your outer shield over your inner slide. Next, you're going to take your puck and secure it. And then you're going to pass your chains through your padlock.